Hey guys, Baron here, Florida Outdoors RV Center here in Stuart, Florida. I want to show you this Forest River Georgetown. It's a 328, brand new. We've got our bunk bed coming down here, a nice computer support system there. Solid surface countertops, beautiful kitchen. Nice and roomy, open floor plan. We've got a nice residential refrigerator here. Plenty of storage. Going into the bathroom. See, nice big corner shower here. Master bedroom. Queen size bed. Flat screen TV, mirrored storage. Little desk there as well. Alright, take a look outside. Slide toppers on all the sliders, frameless windows, full view windshield here, making it easy to see outside. Of course, slide toppers over here as well. If you have any questions about this RV, feel free to call us at 772-288-2221. Alright, let's take one quick look back here at the storage. Got an entertainment system right here. Automatic awning, of course. Nice big storage here. If you have any questions, be sure to call us 772-288-2221. Thanks so much for watching. Have a nice day.